everyone. A very good afternoon. Hi Lita, hi. Hi Nabita. So, how you guys are? Been a long time we're doing this live. Hi Meghana, hi. How are you? Hi, I'm from Bangalore. That's so great because we have exhibition next week. Next weekend, of course. So hope to see you there, Navita. Are you coming, right, for the exhibition? Hi, Sujata. Hi, Divya. Hello. Hi, Money Fashion. I'm good, Divya. आप कैसे हो? How's the life treating you? We are waiting, and so we are waiting for the Bangalore exhibition. It's been like a week, and packing and all, and everything is just going on. Everything for the exhibition it's just all started. Preparations have already been started. Hi, Gayatri. Hi. Yeah, Meghna, we have some really new stunning designs, and these will be displayed at exhibitions. So we just can't wait to show you that. So in today's live, we're gonna cover up some really new stunning designs that we have just arrived, and those will be displayed at the exhibition. So yeah. Also, you all know the exhibition's date and everything, and if you don't know, if you aren't aware of it, so let me tell you and let me remind you that we are heading an exhibition, High Life exhibition at Bangalore, city at your city, at the Lalit Ashok, Bangalore, and the dates are 14th, 15th and 16th of September. So also I'll just tell you the timings of the exhibition. It will be from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. You can come around any day you want, either on 14th, 15th and 16th September. Also, we have this lucky winner thing that we have announcing. So we have this three lucky customers will get a silver coin. And last year we did this for Hyderabad exhibition, and those two, last time we did for two lucky winners, but those two lucky winners have gotten their silver coins, and they've already posted in our reel. So you all can see that as well. And for Bangalore, we are announcing three lucky winners for the three lucky customers, and they will be getting silver coins. Sana Mansu, when in Calcutta. Ma'am, we are Calcutta based. So we'll see later when we are going to do in Calcutta. And alright, so I'll just share you some really exciting news for those who have pre-ordered their items. So I'll just announce that we have this 4 list of customers who have already pre-booked their items for the exhibition. Let me just announce it for you. So AJ216, she has ordered 9 items for the exhibition. AJ447 has pre-ordered 3 items for exhibition. AJ112 has pre-ordered 4 items for the exhibition, and AJ317 has pre-booked their items for 12 items for exhibition. So all these 4 customers in Bangalore have already pre-booked their item. They wanted to see the exhibition and wanted to buy. So they have done full payment in advance. And if you want to pre-book your items for exhibition, you can do it. You can pay in advance to book, and the rest at the exhibition, at the stall. Soon the stall details will be out by next week. So I'll share you all the details very soon. And we have this the grand new designs that are coming, and all those are 1200 plus new stunning designs. So yeah. Also, I have just posted this WhatsApp number, which is an alternative WhatsApp number. You can order if you want to order, or if you have any queries related question, you may DM us on this number, or the Instagram works. Also, if you are looking for customization jewelry, you are welcome, but it will take 20 days dispatch time as usual. It might take 25 days because again we are going for the exhibition, so it will take a little delay for our side. So I just wanted to clear this at advance. That's right. Also, let's just start. I'll just show you all those really new, amazing designs that we have it now. So So the first one we have this pearl ring that I'm wearing, and it's very pretty. This is a very new design that we have just arrived, and so this will be displayed at our exhibition. This one is pearl and beads ring in ruby stone, and this is totally adjustable. You all can see this, right? I'm wearing it on my middle finger. I can wear it on my ring finger, anywhere you want it. And just to see the close look, आप देख सकते हो the shine, the quality of the stones are very premium. All these are semi-precious. So let's just see at the back of the ring. This is how it looks, the back of the ring, and it's adjustable. So you do not have to worry about the size and all things. It's always easy. You know, I always go for the adjustable thing because you can get this to your special ones, or yourself as well. So yeah. Anyways, so take a screenshot if you're interested to buy this ring, or if you want to customize this ring. Price for this ring is only 15,500. This comes with adjustable. So this is adjustable. 15,500 is the price of this ring. Alright, now I'll show you this pendant. This is a beautiful pendant in Swarovski stones, and this is our customer's order. Also will be displayed at the exhibition. This one right here. You all can see, right? This is Swarovski stones with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. I'll show you the back of the pendant as well. This is how the back looks. And this has got like two sides, the left and right, for the chain. The customer who has ordered, this is like total two sides of the pendant. I'll show you more close look. This is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and price for this pendant is only 18,500. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this pendant. I'll just show you the close look. This is how the pendant looks, which has got like two sides, left and right. 18,500 is the price for this pendant, and this is perfect for any chain, be it black beads or gold chain. Now next I'll show you this pretty earring, which is very beautiful, and this has got ruby stone with ruby pink stone and the Chennai screw. So I'll just show you how this earring looks like. This is how the earring looks. Ruby pink stone earring in emerald and polki stone with BIS hallmark. And this has got Chennai screw, as all you can see. This is the Chennai screw, and this is the earring, front side. Price for this earring is only 15,000. 15,000. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this earring, and I'll just show you how this earring looks. It will be easier for you as well to see. You all can see this. This is as pretty as it looks on my ears as well. I'll just show you how this earring looks. This is how the Chennai screw with the Chennai screw and the pretty ruby pink stone earring looks like. This is like perfect for the festive occasion thing and all. आप कभी भी इसे पहन सकते हो whenever you want, and this will be displayed at our exhibition, the stall. So yeah, this is how the earring looks. You all can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this earring. Price is only 15,000. And next I'll show you this pretty purple beads drop earring. And this is this 14 karat gold with the purple beads drop earring. and the stones are portable, which are semi-precious, and it has got Bombay screws. So I'll just show you the back of the earring. This is how the back looks. If you want interchangeable also, we'll customize interchangeable. Only the difference will be in the price. The rest will be same. If you want in customized, like if you want to customize stones and all and everything. So yeah, anyways, I'll just show you how this earring looks, and this is how pretty it looks. You know, the purple color, it's a very classy and elegant stone earring. It defines that luxurious statement by the purple color, and it gives that royal look. I really like your ring that you're wearing in your right hand. Okay, you meant by this, I think. This is my right hand. So yeah, this one is the earring with adjustable stone, and this is 15,500, the price for this ring. Anyways, just come back to the previous earring that I was showing you. This purple beads earring. It's a drop earring, and price for this is only 14,500. If you want to book this earring, you can take a screenshot and send this on our Instagram page, or the number that I've posted down is a alternate WhatsApp number. And about this ring, price is only 15,500. This comes with the adjustable size, and you can wear it anytime, anywhere you want. Okay. Next we have this spiral ring that I'm wearing on my left hand. So I'll just show you. This one, the spiral ring with Swarovski stones. It's as pretty as it looks. I'll just show you in the more close look. Wait. See? It's that easy. This is how the earring looks with Swarovski stones. And this is how the back looks. Also, let me tell you the price for this ring. Price is only 17,500. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this ring. 17,500. This will be also displayed in our exhibition. So yeah. Okay, next we have this hairpin cum pendant. It works with the both ways. There's a hairpin as well. You can attach it as a hairpin or a side hairpin or wherever you want, and as a pendant as well. You can wear it as a pendant with any kind of choker or any kind of beads, chain, So yeah, I'll just show you the details of this. This is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark with 58.5% purity. This is 14 karat gold hairpin cum pendant. I'll just show you the back of this pendant. This is how it looks. It is given with the screw, so you can adjust it off to that. And it's hallmarked as well. It's right here and comes with the cream pearls. So this is hairpin and pendant both. Price is only 17,500. 17,500. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this hairpin cum pendant, which is only 17,500. Okay, so next is this choker that I'm wearing. It's in emerald green beads, and these are the real beads and the choker that I'm wearing. As you all can already see, it has got this very cute and pretty flower pendant with this. So this was before this is actually our customer's order, which we are going to dispatch today. And she wanted to change it into a choker. Earlier it was a bracelet, but she wanted to change it into a choker. So we had customized this, and this is how the bracelet looks after being made in choker. So yeah, and price for this is only 4,000. So So this is very budget friendly, and if you are looking for that budget friendly choker, then definitely go for this. And if you want in some other color, like you don't want in green, you want in pink, maybe in red, or maybe in orange, something, any color, just send us a screenshot, take a screenshot of this choker and send us on Instagram page, and or you can straight away contact on this number. This is our WhatsApp alternative number. So anyways, so this is 4,000 for this green, emerald green stone choker with the real beads. This is how it looks, and the stones are semi-precious polka stones. Okay, now we're going to move ahead with our Swarovski stone stud, which is this, and it's damn pretty. You guys will love it. Just a second. All these are very new items. हम लोग इसको exhibition में display करने वाले हैं. So we wanted to show it on the live. For those who are not from Bangalore, for those who are going to attend our exhibition, at least they can decide what to buy or what to not. Anyways, this is how the stud looks like, and this is what I was talking about. This is very pretty over. This is 14 karat gold with Swarovski stone, and I'll just show you how this looks, so you'll just have an idea. See, I told you this is very pretty Swarovski stone stud, and it's minimal as well. This is not. It's very chic. This is very chic vibes. And the back has got Bombay screw. So I'll just show you how this stud looks. You all can take a screenshot if you are interested to buy the stud. This is how it looks. And this is how the entire thing looks. Definitely swastik. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll just show this. So this is 14 karat gold with Swarovski stone stud, and price is only 9,500, which comes with the BIS hallmark. 9,500 is the price. आपके left hand में जो ring है, okay, you meant this. So in my left hand that I'm wearing, this is a spiral ring with Swarovski stone, and price is 17,500. And on my right hand, this one that I'm wearing, and this is like perfect for any cocktail, any party wear, any festive occasion, or any grand events. This is pearl and beads ring in ruby stone. This is adjustable, and price is only 15,500. Okay, now I'll show you the next. This is a flower pendant, and the size is big. So yeah, now you can see. This is the flower pendant that I was talking about, and this comes with 2 stones, that is in 2 colors. One in pink, that is a deep pink, and the other one is in green that I'm showing you. This one. This comes with the 2 varieties of this, so you can select any one if you want. So this is a flower pendant earring. आप इसे कोई भी चेन के साथ अटैच कर सकते हो whenever you want, however you want. This is big flower pendant which comes with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and price for this flower earring is 7,500. 7,500 each is the price for this each pendant. So the one that I showed you earlier with the pink ruby stone, it's the same price, 7,500, which comes with the hoops, that is the side hoops. आप इसे कोई भी चेन के साथ इसे पहन के आप कर सकते हो. It's better, and you can attach it with any chain you want, any gold chain, any bead chain, and perfect with the black bead chain as well. So yeah, this is how it looks with the green one. 7,500 is the price for this pendant. Now next I'll show you this butterfly pendant which we have, and this is very cutest, very minimal aesthetic. So I'll show you that as well. And ये Swarovski में भी है. So for those who are looking for Swarovski stones with beautiful butterfly pattern, this is for you. This is how it looks. Oh wait, I'll just show you it straight like this. This is how it looks. Maybe I'm just holding it in a wrong way. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is the butterfly pendant. You all can see. This is the butterfly pendant with the Swarovski stones. I will show you the stone looks so that you all can see it more clearly. Can you see the shining of this gold and the stones? Look at the stunning design. This is the pendant actually. Butterfly pendant with Swarovski stones, and price is only 5,000. This is very budget friendly, and you all can see the hook is given for the chain. आप कोई भी chain के साथ इसको पहन सकते हो wherever you want, and this is very perfect for the gift purpose if you are looking. If you want to give this to your kids also, go ahead, give this to your kids. Go ahead. So this is, first of all, this is very budget friendly, and second thing is that this comes with the Swarovski stones, which is very much great than a diamond. Of course, it's almost same, but yeah, it gives you that dazzling effect just like a diamond, and gold is perfect choice to make. 5,000 is the price for this butterfly pendant with Swarovski stone. And this is ready to dispatch, but we are going to show this at our exhibition. So if you want to order, kindly send this screenshot on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down as a WhatsApp number. So yeah, 5,000 is the price for this one. Next is this half moon earring, which is also budget friendly, no doubt. This is how it looks. Half moon earring. With the baby pink beads, you all can see. I'll just show you how this earring looks. This is how the earring looks. You all can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. And this comes with the Bombay screw, so you all can see this, right? This comes with the Bombay screw. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this ring. Price for this ring is earring is only 12,500, which is half moon earring. In case if you want to customize this earring with other stones or with other beads, kindly DM us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down. Now next we have this in pastel color, which I love the most, and pastel is the most aesthetic and gives more premium look as well. So yeah, this one, as you all can see, this is the pastel beads earring with the pearls, and this comes with Chennai screw. You all can see this, the Chennai screw. This comes with the pretty Chennai screw beads, and the stones are all semi-precious with polki stone. I'll just show you how this earring looks. And this comes with the BIS hallmark. So this is how big it is. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's perfect size. It's a perfect medium size. This is how the pastel earring with the pastel bead stone comes. Chennai screw. Chennai screw, and this comes with the BIS hallmark. Price is 25,500. So you all can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this, and send us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down. 25,500 is the price for this earring. Now Next I'll show you this dangle earring which comes with the cream pearls, and this is in leaf pattern. It's a very cute jhumka as well. So I'll just show you how this earring looks. This is how the earring looks. Which comes with the cream pearls. This is leaf dangle earring with the cream pearls, and price for this is only 19,500, which comes with the BIS hallmark. And this comes with Bombay screw. Pearls are semi-precious, all are premium, and you can give this to anyone you want, and this is like the perfect size as well. You can take a screenshot for this if you want to customize. Now next we have this rice pearl earring in a leaf pattern, and this is very beautiful, I'll tell you, because this comes with the rice pearls obviously, but like the stones are very good. This is the rice pearl earring in leaf pattern. Price is only 22,500. 22,500 is the price for this earring. I'll just show you how this earring looks. This comes with the rice pearl, so just look at how beautiful this is. इसको कैसे भी पहन सकते हो. You can wear it with any ethnic wear, any like kind of kurta or sari, whichever you want. And if this you're gifting to someone, they're gonna love it because this is damn beautiful. So yeah, this comes with the Bombay screw, the rice pearls, and this is all good. So you all can take a screenshot if you want to. Price is only 22,500. Now the last piece that we have, this is a rice pearl jhumka, and for the price kindly be DM us on our Instagram page because we don't know the price yet. We have to figure it out. This is the very new item that have just arrived, so I just wanted to show it on the live. But for the price, can you wait till midnight, till tonight? I'll just share you all the prices for this one. This is 14 karat rice pearl jhumka earring, and this is a heavyweight earring as well. So I'll just show you how. See, I told you this is a very pretty jhumka. This is how it looks. See. And this is like perfect for the wedding vibes. I mean, just see the details of this. Can you show you? This is how it looks. And for the price, can we share a screenshot of this earring? We'll tell you the price along with the weight. So can you take a screenshot for this earring? So that's it, guys. This is all are the designs that we are going to display at our exhibition, which is happening at High Life Exhibition, obviously in Bangalore. Venue is the Lalit Ashok, Bangalore. Dates are 14th, 15th and 16th of September. So hope to see you soon there. And for those who have already pre-ordered their items, you will get it soon on 14 or 15 or 16 whenever you come. Also, if you want to pre-book your items, you can definitely DM us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down. So get ready to see the stunning designs with 1200 exclusive new designs on 14th and 15th and 16th of September. So see you soon there by next weekend. Have a nice day ahead.